There was fear and confusion all around in Vishakhapatnam on Thursday morning. A gas leak in a chemical plant led to the death of over 10 people, and thousands have reportedly fallen sick due to being exposed to styrene, which started leaking at the LG polymer plant. Many people complained of breathlessness and vomiting. Affected people were evacuated and admitted to the hospital.
గ్యాస్ లీక్ అయ్యింది కదండి, మరి చిన్నపిల్లలతో ఉండలేక బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతాను. మరి ఇంట్లోంచే ప్రమాదం అంటున్నారు కదా, బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతాను.
దానివల్ల ఊపిరాటలు మనిషికి ఊపిరాటకి చచ్చిపోతున్నారు అన్నమాట. మొత్తం ఒళ్ళంతా మంటలు, కంట్లోంచి నీళ్ళు కనీసం ఏ టైం నుంచి తలుపు తీసి బయటకు వద్దామన్నా సరే మొత్తం మంటలు పొగమంచు ఉంటుంది కదా, పొగమంచు మొత్తం కప్పేసి మన చలికాలంలో.
Andhra Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy is closely monitoring the situation. He visited the hospital and inquired about the health condition of the victims on Thursday. The state government has announced a compensation of rupees 1 crore each to the kin of those killed in the gas leak.
So the government of Andhra Pradesh is taking all the precautions to speed up for giving them better treatment. Not only that, even for the industry also we will take the stringent measures. Sir, how many? We will see that this kind of incidents should not happen.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi took stock of the situation and assured all possible help to Jagan Mohan Reddy. He also convened a meeting of the National Disaster Management Authority.
It is a chemical disaster. The response requires expertise on chemical side, expertise on chemical management side, as well as expertise on the medical side, expertise on evacuations and so on. So what should be the across the board response is something that Honorable Prime Minister took stock of.
As per LG officials, the gas leak is now under control. Styrene is a flammable liquid and is used in the manufacturing of fiberglass, rubber, polystyrene plastics, and latex. As per experts, styrene is highly flammable and releases a poisonous gas that causes nausea upon exposure. It can also affect brain functions and even lead to coma in high exposure. The gas leak comes during times of COVID-19 when the economy is facing a severe crisis. This tragic incident will force more hardship on the victims, and some may even have to live with its long-term effects in the coming years. TOI Online Report.